Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song "Oh Praise the Name Anastasis" by Hillsong with just you and an acoustic guitar. Before we get into things, I want to let you know I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this arrangement. Don't worry, I'll teach you everything that you need to know. But if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, check out the link in the description below to the free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll teach you even more of them. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. I cast my mind to Calvary, where Jesus bled and died for me. I see his wounds, his hands, his feet, my Savior on that cursed tree. His body bound and drenched in tears, they laid him down in Joseph's tomb, the entrance sealed by heavy stone, Messiah still and all alone. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God, praise his name forevermore. For endless days we will sing your praise, oh Lord our God. And on the third, at break of day, the Son of heaven rose again. Oh, trample death, where is your sting? The angels roar for Christ the King. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God, praise his name forevermore. For endless days we will sing your praise, oh Lord our God. He shall return in robes of white, the blazing sun shall pierce the night, and I will rise among the saints, our gaze transfixed on Jesus' face. Oh, praise the name of the Lord our God, praise his name forevermore. For endless days we will sing your praise, oh Lord our God, oh Lord our God. Congratulations, now you know how to lead the song "Oh Praise the Name" by Hillsong with just you and an acoustic guitar. Before you go, if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords that you just learned through this tutorial, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to the free PDF 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. In that PDF, I'll show you even more of these advanced guitar chords that you can implement into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.